Hello, yo, everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen, y'all. Look, today we're making a quick cabbage roll soup, y'all. Quick, easy soup. Your boy got a taste for some soup before it get too hot outside. You feel me? Now look, little cabbage, onions, ground beef. You could throw some sausages in there if you want, but we ain't gonna throw no sausage in there today. We'll keep it nice and simple. Cabbage, onions, ground beef, little carrots. Got some rice up there. Gonna throw that in there. Take that thing to work. Come on, y'all. Hit the like button. It's up to the channel. About to get straight into it. Show you how I do it. Okay, everybody. Y'all see what we got? We got us 4 carrots, 4 Roma tomatoes. We got a medium onion. We got our cabbage right here. We're gonna cut our carrots oblique cut. I learned that from when I was in culinary school. You know, that's a special cut for soups specifically. Better bite. Better mouthfeel. Okay, we're gonna dice up these Roma tomatoes. We're gonna get these a small dice, and then we're gonna dice up or slice up our cabbage. All right, we're gonna go real fast, speed through this part. All right, y'all. What I want y'all to see, so we're gonna hit the speed button. All right, let's go. This is what it means to cut oblique. You try to hold your carrot straight. You hold your knife on an angle. You slice, turn, slice, turn. And as you can see, when you turn, you're gonna start creating angles on the carrot. You just slice, turn, half turns, half turns, half turns, half turns. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get a nice cut on this. Slicing right down the middle. If I can. Get that core out right there. I wanna go through it. Don't go through it. Then don't go through your fingers. Right. Same thing to the other side. Okay, I'm split them down. Get that salt in this, of course. Let's go. Get over there. Grab hold. Like this. All right, boom. Now we got all our ingredients chopped up. Let's go get on over to this pan, y'all. All right, everybody. Start us with a drop of oil. Get this pan nice and hot. Hot, nice and hot. Start us off with our onions. All right. Give them 2-3 minutes. What we do, we build flavors, y'all. You can even turn them a little brown if you want. Okay, y'all, next we're gonna go in 2 tablespoons minced garlic, or you could use fresh garlic, you know. That thing a nice stir. Y'all see our onions getting a little translucent. That's exactly what we want. Got a nice 2 pounds of ground beef right here. Throw that on in there. Get ready to change our gloves out, y'all. Let's get to it. Throw that ground beef on in there. Throw a little total seasoning. Or you can use garlic powder, onion powder. I just used the total seasoning because it got all of that inside of it. 1 seasoning. Got all the things in it. All right. Throw a little thyme leaves. Let's get that open, that thing full. Couple dashes of paprika. We'll go ahead on and mix this up. Give it a good mix. Like I say, you can throw you some sausage in there, y'all, if y'all want. Make it even meatier. Get a good mix. Brown that ground beef off. All right, y'all. And now, this the main thing. This the main reason I like this soup right here. Because at this point right here, you don't have to drain your ground beef or your sausage. At this point, we just gonna go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients, all right? And while you got your pot on high, go ahead on and add your tomatoes, whatever form of diced tomatoes you have. Go ahead on and add your carrots. All right, give it a stir. Our cabbage go in there. It's gonna create a lot of liquid. All right. Throw our cabbage in there. Then we're gonna pop our lid on there. About 15 minutes. Let them things start to wilt a little bit. We're gonna get heat get to them. They're gonna start watering. Then we're gonna add our chicken bouillon and our broth and stuff. But we got the bouillon powder. You can use chicken broth or beef broth. Our store didn't have no beef broth right now, so you know how that go. We're gonna use chicken broth today. All right, chicken broth and water. All right, get us a cover. 5-10 minutes. Okay, y'all. Y'all can hear the water in there. It only been about 5 minutes. But I want to get some of this chicken bouillon in there before I dump some water in there. I don't want to really add much water right now, because once again, once our cabbage reduce, or not reduce, wilt up, melt down, however you want to say it, it's going to have a certain amount of water in there already. All right, so let that do this thing. Right back. All right, y'all, we're going to add a little bit more of our chicken broth, so we're going to add like 4 cups of water. All right. Hot water. 2 cups. You want to try to have them swimming at least, to where your cabbage is trying to float. At least floating a little bit. I don't know if my pot big enough, because we have a lot of cabbage, huh? Look. Let's see if we can't get some space up in there. Alrighty. Got some space up in there, y'all. You got a nice stiff cabbage too. This cabbage ain't cooked down much. Alrighty. That thing go a little bit longer. Had to switch our pots out for this little stock. This is for the stocky stock pot, y'all. It's time to add our rice, y'all. This is a whole cup. We're gonna add half of it. Alright. Jasmine rice. Y'all see we got it to float now. A little bit of space to move. Then we're gonna pop our lid on and we're gonna let that thing do what it do. Okay, everybody. Look at that soup. Look at that soup, y'all. I ain't gonna plate it up because it's going in my lunchbox. You feel me? I got the electric lunchbox. Look at that soup, y'all. Got some bay leaves in there I dropped in there. Hit the like, sub to the channel. You can throw potatoes in there, y'all. You can do a lot of things with this. But look, y'all. I'll tell y'all what it tastes like when we get to work. We gotta go to work in 30 minutes. I love y'all. Hope everybody have a good night, safe night. And I'll see y'all in the next joint. Cabbage roll soup, y'all. That thing bussin', and I know it. I know it. It can't not be bussin'. But look, once again, love y'all, appreciate y'all. See y'all in the next one. We out. Done to it. Just showed you how to do it. Hit the like, sub to the channel. All right, y'all. We got the magic in the box, y'all. You don't know. I ain't got the tripod here, of course. So y'all gotta bear with your brother. All right, y'all. Give me a grain of taste. I got water leaking from my lid everywhere, y'all. That's a bad idea to do. Hope I ain't blocking the volume. I don't got the mic. I don't got the mic on. I got the mic in my bag. It's hot. That thing hot. How?
That thing is delicious. That's it for this one, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Sub to the channel, y'all. Smoked and deep fried riblets coming up next.